Hello friends, today we are going to learn working with variables in Microsoft RPA tool Power Automate Desktop. While developing automation flows, we often need to store data and do some manipulations over these data values. And we can store these data values in variables and use various actions to do some manipulations over these variables. Let's see, in the variables today we are going to learn two actions. Set variables to create variables here, and then the truncate number. Firstly, the set variable. Here we are going to specify the variable name. Let's take num1 and the values 10.23456. Now we can see this value using the action display message. In the display message, in the title set result, and in the display we can do some raw data here and also the variables or the combination of them. Num1 save run. So this is our value. Here during creating the variable we have not defined any data type of this variable. Here when we double click on it, internally our Power Automate Desktop specifies the variable type based on the content in that particular variable in the runtime. Now we are going to check and work with truncate number action. Number to truncate, set the number num1, get integral part. Here we have three things. We can get integral part, decimal part, and round this number. First, integral part, this is the truncated value. We can also change the variable name if needed. Click on save and check this value using our display message action. Run. Here we have integral value 10. Yes, it's working fine. Now let's check the second one, decimal part, save, run. It should be 0.23456. Yes, it's working fine. Now we need to have a round number. For this we have one more input. Till how many decimal places we need to round up this number. Set to run. So we will be having 10.23. See, this all are working fine. In the more upcoming videos we will learn more about variables using multiple actions. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe for more related knowledgeable videos. Thank you.